until unless a designer gets into it, I generally in fashion we have these rules. How can anything be a fashion when some fashion icon or somebody who has followers, somebody who's a celebrity does it? If some celebrity does smoking, it becomes a fashion.
I think anything and everything in this country can be pushed by celebrities, pushed only as a product, not as a system of values.
तो खादी को प्रमोट करने के वास्ते नहीं, कांग्रेस पार्टी के प्रिंसिपल्स के अंदर ने भी ये भी एक सुझाव है, एक प्रिंसिपल है, तो ने जो लोग ने अपनाना चाहते, मेजॉरिटी लोग, उन लोग ने खादी को पहनने से नहीं, उस ढंग से भी नहीं, खादी को प्रमोशन हो रहा हो। खादी का प्रमोशन इज़ डिफरेंट, और खादी को कौन से लोग पहन रहे, काय को पहन रहे, उनका मतलब क्या है, वो डिफरेंट है। ये प्रमोशन के वास्ते कोई भी लुच्चा भी पहनेगा, लंगा भी पहनेगा, सब अच्छे भी पहनेंगे, बुरे भी पहनेंगे खादी कपड़ा। फैशन डिज़ाइनर्स आज के जनरेशन के अभिरुचि को दृष्टि में रखते हुए अगर न्यू डिज़ाइंस अगर प्रोजेक्ट कर सके तो नहीं, बहुत खुशी की बात है।
We believe in the national values, which is the principles that has been given by our the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi ji. The current scenario, in order to increase the productivity of khadi and improve the wages of spinners and weavers, naturally we have to go into the we have to go into diversified khadi fabric, which attracts the newer generation, younger generation. That's why naturally we have to go for the new designs, new textures, new varieties. Khadi we have developed for kids, khadi we have developed for teenagers, khadi we have developed for students. Khadi is there for this like officials, executives like me. The shirt which I am wearing is a pure khadi silk, and khadi jeans, khadi gabardine.
You see, khadi cannot be divorced from the larger Gandhian philosophy. You cannot pick and choose elements from Gandhi and say, we will only take this and not that. Khadi was also a symbol of non-violence. You cannot take non-violence away from the idea of khadi. Khadi needs to be repackaged as couture, a fashion statement. Gandhi, poor man, also needs to be packaged as Munna Bhai.
जितना टाइम बापू अंदर रहा ना, उतना ही उनका इज्जत बढ़ा, क्योंकि वो राइट था। अपन भी राइट काम करके 8-10 बार अंदर आएंगे तो मरने के बाद अपना भी पुतला लगेगा पार्क में, अपना फोटो होगा हर नोट पर, अपना इस नाम हर रोड पे, स्कूल की किताबों में अपनी ही दोस्ती के किस्से।
चैप्टर 6 मुन्ना और सर्किट।
नेताओं के भाषण में अपनी चर्चे।
जब तक सूरज चांद रहेगा मुन्ना सर्किट का नाम रहेगा।
अपन की बर्थडे पे मुन्ना जयंती, बोले तो बैंक हॉलिडे, अक्खा कंट्री में ड्राई डे। नहीं ड्राई डे नहीं यार।
We got to sell the concept ultimately. Until unless we sell the concept of khadi. Until unless we sell khadi, there's no point in just falling in love with it or falling in love with it, just admiring it. There's no point, right? So after we started doing our line, we realized that there are people who want to buy khadi. It's what not. What kind of people are they? They are surprisingly not only politicians. They are not surprisingly that 45 plus generation. They are young generation. We have youth who doesn't know really khadi, but they have a little, I think because of the media, they always hear something or other about khadi. They hear that by buying khadi you can save some weaver from committing suicide. Okay. They think that by wearing khadi you can still remember Gandhiji, because all these movies are trying smartly exploiting Gandhi's concept, right? So we still have some pity left for that old man who was shown as a great path, that great visionary who is still applicable. Until unless but he's applicable, but you should understand him. Gandhigiri or whatever they tried recently in that movie, it worked because he's still applicable. Sometimes we keep, whenever we discuss, me and Shilpa discuss about Gandhiji, we keep wondering what a man he is. Whenever I design khadi, I don't think about Gandhi. The moment designers enter, we are not into art, we are into commercial art. We are not into social service. We charge for everything we do. So same thing can be sold for 1,000 rupees. A shirt can be sold, a simple shirt which can be sold for 200-300 rupees. We will sell it for 1,000 rupees because we are adding our name to it. and people are ready to buy it that way, I think. But still, a fashion is never a fashion unless there is a mass. Now we have khadi style statements. Many people wear khadi as a style statement. But for khadi to be a revolution or a complete fashion, fashion is an accepted style, we say, accepted by many people. For the many people to wear khadi, you don't find many youth wearing khadi, very few.
गांधी के ज़माने में वो एक तपस्या की चीज़ थी। हर आदमी खादी पहनता था, जो आज़ादी के लड़ाई में भाग लेता था। आज कुछ नहीं है, तो एक फैशन की चीज़ हो गई है।
It will be just a fashion statement.
It is becoming a fashion statement. It is becoming a fashion statement. The idea that you must wear a piece of clothing which is rough, which looks crumpled, which has a rough texture, is what has khadi been reduced to.
ऐनक पहने लाठी पकड़े चलते थे वो शान से, सालिम कांपे थर 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 सुनकर उनका नाम रे। हो कद था उनका छोटा सा और सरपट उनकी चाल रे, दुबले से पतले से थे वो चलते सीना तान के। वंदे में था दम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे में था दम।